Plant names, like any other names, carry a wealth of information. They tell us about the plant's appearance, its habits, its place of origin, and sometimes even its historical or cultural significance. Take, for instance, the charmingly robust plant known in German as the Sonnenblume, a name that paints a vibrant picture of a flower basking in the sun's glow. In Latin, however, it's known as Helianthus annuus, a name that may sound less poetic but is teeming with scientific insight. Helianthus annuus gives us a snapshot of the plant's scientific classification. Helianthus, the genus name, derives from two Greek words, helios, meaning sun, and anthos, meaning flower. Annuus, the species name, is Latin for annual, indicating the plant's life cycle.